Social media can make you successful with affiliate marketing. If you are feeling like you want to start making extra money and start producing a source of income for yourself, then affiliate marketing is what you want to get into. This video can help you get started with getting into affiliate marketing, as it has plenty of tips you can use towards success. Many people overlook the power of the blog. Blogs aren't just for trading recipes anymore. They are an active and vital marketing tool that can reap great rewards for those who use them. By engaging your potential customers, you can show yourself as a knowledgeable seller who realizes the value of the consumer. Pay for a professional logo. It's worth the investment to look put together and professional. If your webpage and logo look like you did it yourself on a Saturday night after dinner, your customers will notice, and they may not want to put their faith or money in the hands of someone who doesn't look like they know what they are doing. First impressions count. Although it's a bad idea for an affiliate to act as if they're totally in love with a product, since it turns the potential customer off, it is still wise to link to the company's pre-sale product pitch. As long as you have read the pitch and find it to be tasteful, authoritative and relevant, you should send your traffic there. Look for affiliate programs that offer high commission rates. Some programs offer 100% or higher commission on the products they sell through you. Don't dismiss items like this as scams. These programs end up making more money through the follow-up sales, so it's worth it to them to pay out high commissions in order to gain a new customer for the long term. Hopefully, with the information you just learned, you can start thinking of strategies you want to use for success. When it comes to affiliate marketing, remember that the more you know, the more potential for success you have. So try your best to expand your knowledge, and apply it as much as you can. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.